Angles on a Plane by Calvin Ping. Parallel lines are two lines on the same plane that will never intersect, have the same slope, and have different y-intercept. As seen in my drawing, I have two lines going the same direction. They have the same slope, but they have different y-intercepts. As you can see, if they would have the same y-intercept, then they would be the same line, and then there wouldn't be two lines. Transversal line. A transversal line is a line that intersects both parallel lines going straight through them. As seen in the example, I have the two parallel lines from before, but this time I have one line going right through them. That line is called the transversal line. Vertical angles. Vertical angles are the angles that are directly opposite to each other. Vertical angles are always equal to each other. In this drawing, the angles with two marks on them are vertical to each other, and in another case, the angles with one mark on them are also vertical to each other. As you can see in my example, the angle on the left and the angle on the right have the same angle measurement, making them vertical, and the angle on the top and the angle on the bottom have the same angle measurement, making them vertical to each other as well. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angles that are on the other parallel line, but are congruent to the angles on the first parallel line. The angles with two marks on the first parallel line are the same as the angles with two marks on the second parallel line. The same goes for the angles with one mark. As you can see in my drawing, I have drawn out the angle measurements of the second parallel line along the transversal line. They have the angle on the left and the right side of the second parallel line have the same measurements as the angle on the left and the right side of the first parallel line. The same goes for the angles with two marks.